They were like,
It's a good version.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. I have pre-video stress and also pre-video sweats. The stress is normal, the sweats is not as normal. Today I have challenged myself to learn a trendy new TikTok dance that I'm obsessed with. I've watched every creator who's done this dance do this dance, and I wanna do this dance. Poorly, but I wanna do it. I wanna do it so bad. I've also pinpointed 3 specific dance moves that are repeated throughout a lot of the choreography you see on TikTok, and I feel like if I can nail those 3 moves, they're in everything. And so that should improve my skills as a poor to mediocre TikTok dancer. For this video, I have recruited the most talented and most patient choreographer that I know, my friend Kyle Hanagami. I also just wanna say that I am truly so underqualified to be Kyle's student. He's choreographed for Harry Styles, Blackpink, Now United, Sophia Carson. Like genuinely, I am so underqualified. Kyle, if you wanna completely disassociate yourself with this video, I will understand. Also, a little background about me. I grew up playing sports, and so I have 0 flexibility and 0 coordination, the type of coordination that's needed for dance, and also am very terrible at memorizing choreography. So this should be super fun. The 3 moves that I have identified as repetitive and hopefully easy enough for me to learn or at least improve are the whoa. Obviously I need a lot of help there. Number 2, the like hip pop situation with the arms are like here and the hip is like pa-pa and the other hip is like pa-pa. That one. And then also the booty shake. I don't have much booty to shake, but from all the other TikToks that I've watched teaching you how to do the booty shake, everyone says you don't need a booty to do the booty shake. So today I would like to learn how to make the booty that I do have shake. And the choreography and TikTok dance that I want to learn is Every Time the Beat Drop by Dem Franchise Boys, A+ throwback song, and I don't know how to do any of it. So I'm super excited for Kyle to get here, and I'm so sorry in advance to everyone that has to witness this. Also, one last thing before we hop in, I have not dropped merch since 2019. It has been forever, and if you watch the vlog channel, you've been on this journey with me. But next Sunday, November 15th, we're officially launching the laurDIY tie-dye kit. You get 5 colors with extra packets of dye for each color, gloves, instructions, elastics, the whole set. It is the cutest packaging ever. This is one of these sweaters that I have tie-dyed with the kit. Also, if you've been on the vlog channel, you've seen just like the journey that has been these tie-dye kits. We're also launching the Art Club Whites line that has a hoodie, sweatpants, and shorts. It's all super, super cute and so soft. You guys know that I just like don't f with anything that's not super cozy, so can confirm all super cozy and soft. All right, so set your alarms. November 15th on shop.laurDIY.com, and also we'll have all of the merch from past launches on sale. So if you're paying for shipping anyways, definitely check out the sale and clearance section for the old merch. All right. Let's hop into it. Let's do it. I'm stressed. Okay, so as I mentioned, we've got 3 key moves and then 1 TikTok in particular that I want to learn because it's so badass and I feel like I just feel like such a cool person.
Okay, I gotta preface all of this by I am not a professional TikToker, let me tell you.
I thought you were gonna say I'm not a professional like dancer, and I was like, sir.
Professional choreographer, but not a professional TikToker. I've done 20 TikToks.
You know, you're a pro and also very patient, as we learned.
I am very
You're
patient.
very patient for someone like me.
No, it's gonna be great. Ready?
Ready!
Okay.
Okay, so let me show you what I have right now. Here's where we're at.
There's nothing left for me to teach you. Like, you're good. Okay. Let's try feet together. I hate that you had to look at me to figure out how to put your feet together. Give me to the side. You're gonna put it back. Like, pinch back here. Like this muscle, pull that back without twisting your body.
Okay, so
engage that. Yeah, here I have a plate for you, reach for it. That's the feeling. And then you take it down. There. Yeah.
What do I do with my fingers?
Close. You can also keep it open. I mean, okay, here's the thing with the whoa, which comes from Texas.
Really? Texas?
I'm pretty sure it comes from Texas.
Oh, I love that.
For the whoa, there's so many different ways that people execute it.
Yeah.
And I feel like with dance, just do what makes you feel good.
No. I want to do what makes me look good.
Okay. We'll work on this.
Nothing feels natural.
First tip, keep your head out of it. The head is not in the equation, so you don't want that. You want it in the body, right there. The goal is not to hit here.
Oh.
It's almost like the goal is to hit here. The trick is in the shoulder. So look at the shoulder. And now pull it a little. Like think of a little bit of a reverb. Got it. Nice. It's good. Like it's good. It's good. It's
Why am I
good. No, it's good. Hi, Charlize.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm with Lauren, and we are trying to teach her how to whoa, and I feel like you're one of the best whoa-ers out there. If you were to hit this whoa, watch it, and boom.
What do you mean?
Like, how do you correct it?
It's like.
Oh,
like you're,
what was that? What
See,
was
she
that?
has a different whoa.
Yeah, hers is different.
Okay, again. Back up. We need full body.
Full body.
Okay, now explain to me where's your hit though?
back in. And then you go back in to go back out.
Oh, so there's like two reverbs.
In, go out, and then whoa, and I go back out.
Oh my god. Oh my god. There's too many wows. There's too many wows.
She is reverbing to reverb again. Just shake. Got it. And then give me a little bit like you gotta like
I don't have
feel
that.
it. You do
You're
have
always
that.
like, give me the sass, give me the swag, show me the sass.
Right there.
That, I promise that was not it.
So like a little bit in between. It was like swass.
Okay,
It's like at 40%. I want 100. Good. Now lose the tongue. You get a B+.
I'll take it.
Great. Oh, should we move on to the next move?
Let's move on to the next move.
Okay, great.
Critical move number 2, now that we've obviously mastered the whoa.
Yeah, it's great.
The one that everyone does where they go, bah, and their booty flies, bah,
That's good.
bah.
So when you do this one, let's go hands down here. Bend your knees, kind of like you're about to do a squat.
Okay.
You got that stance, great. And when you do this, you're gonna click your hip forward. First, let's start with the direction. Think up.
Up?
So think straighten, straight, up, up. And now it's a combination of lifting and
Turning.
twisting. So now I want you to do this. Twist, twist, up and twist.
Your hip is like coming off of your body, I don't know.
I'm really using my oblique. Like if you put your hand right here on your oblique, you should feel everything tighten on that side.
Oh yeah, I do feel that actually right there.
Yeah? Good, good, good. That's it.
Oh, this side's much better.
That's good. Right and left and right and... Wait, you look good. A+.
Woo! The whoa! The whoa!
Now, instead of thinking keeping it under yourself, think take it around a little bit.
Okay.
So it's going back to front.
Oh god.
Round to front.
Oh god.
Cut, cut. Good. Now, here's the last tip. When you're doing it, you're going click and then sit. Think click, round.
Ooh. Oh, moose! Oh, that's so nice, puppies!
That's good. Yes, 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 yes. You know when you do like a deadlift or
Yeah.
a squat?
Yeah.
At the top, what do?
Squeeze your booty.
Yes.
But how do I get Exactly.
On the one side. I feel like we're doing a conga line.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh!
I give this one an A+. There's a lot of improvement there. Move on?
Yeah, let's move on. I feel good about that one. That one came a long way, I
Yes.
have to say.
I agree.
Okay, I have watched so many TikToks also of girls who are trying to give tutorials on how to do the...
I love that you're asking me to teach you this one.
Yeah, because everyone says shake, like your hips go like this, but you don't use the arms and you just lean over.
I mean, there's two different versions. What's up, Jeremy?
Hey babe! So everyone says it's not about the booty, and I don't believe them.
Can you show me a video of what you're talking about?
Yes.
Because there's two
Yes.
different versions. This one where you're not moving your knees, and then there's the one where you move your knees.
I'm open to either of them.
You can do it. Say it with me. I can do it.
I
can do it.
Lock those knees out.
So she's saying lock the knees.
We're just letting our hips rotate.
I can feel my booty wiggling.
That's all we're
That's
doing.
good. See, this is the one with the bent knees.
Oh, let's do both. Let's do both.
So knees are bent, she's up on her toes. It's basically like that's it. Like you don't have to overthink it.
My hamstrings in this position are screaming.
Mine too, trust me, all day. The only thing that I'm seeing, which looks terrible because on camera all I'm doing is staring at your ass. You're doing the twist, right? And the twist is different than a rock side to side. But when you're leaning forward, you're changing it to the rock side to side.
I know, I can feel it.
And you gotta keep it as the twist.
I got this part.
Yep. This one's gonna take some practice. I give this one like a C+.
I wouldn't even say it's C+. Lock the knees. Nope, I lost it.
I look like my corgi.
Just excited?
I'm so excited.
Oh, it looks good from the
Wow, look at that. I say you just do this one always standing up. That's good!
All right, so the piece de la resistance, everything I've been training for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
I am obsessed with this dance. And so the dance credit is Matt McCall and Dex Rated. I'll link their original dance.
Aww.
What?
I know that.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I didn't know they made up this dance.
Oh my god, yeah, it's so popular. So I'm gonna spend the entire night practicing this to perfection so that I can be in the embarrassment of myself by myself after I learn the choreo. And then I'll do the reveal on TikTok.
I also feel like you should do a before and after piece.
Oh, before and after of the TikTok? Yeah, you're so right.
Let's have you watch it once and then try and recreate it.
You are giving my memory way too much credit. One step through first.
Show me what you think it is.
I hate you. They were like,
It's a good version. The version that you like, they're actually going back.
Oh.
Back. Thrust forward. And then sit back. Sit back. Think like into the floor. That's it. Thrust more.
That's it.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. What do you mean? There's nowhere else for it to go. See? It's
Down and back, not up and back. Not
down.
there, but down.
Down.
Yes, but now,
I know.
that was it. Now take it diagonally down. Yes.
Oh, I forgot everything. I can't have the arms in.
It's okay. We're gonna build there. Down. Yes. I think you're sitting. You're going to like John Travolta Saturday Night Fever instead of
You're
back.
right, I am.
And do you see how your thighs are released?
Yeah, they're going.
It's good.
I've never wanted my thighs to jiggle until right now.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you go and 5 and you jump back open. Yep. Give me back and around more. Yes. Good. Ha. That's better. Yes. Boom. Rush. Keep this right where it is.
Okay.
So when you do the scoop, I want you to make this from your hip to your shoulder as short as possible.
I see, so bring this up, so.
Yes. Wait, kind of. You're losing it. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and it's kind of like a little bit of a Dougie. Stop, go, stop, go. They go toss and prep. 8, you go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1.
Oh my god! Ah! Okay, this one's with the music. Can't put this in for copyright reasons, but this is the one that I'm gonna save for posting, and then we'll do edit.
This is the one Kyle's forcing her.
This is the one Kyle's making me do.
You got the whoa.
We'll just save that to a draft and I'll work on that a lot.
That was good.
That was not good.
That was not good. It gives you a marker. So now when you practice it and you see how you look when you're great, it'll be like, I improved that much overnight.
Any final closing remarks?
Practice.
Hi guys, it is a few days later and I'm gonna be honest, I went 3 days without practicing at all, and then I spent like a solid hour working on it, and I've come a long way. It's by no means great. Like, I watched so many other versions of it as well, just to like see how other people were doing it, because there was like one specific part that I was just like not getting. Like, I was nowhere near making it look good, so I was like, okay, what are the alternative options that I have here? Anyways, enjoy. Obviously I can't put the audio to the sound, but I'll show you guys the behind the scenes, and then if you want to go see the final TikTok, I will have a link below. Also, if there are mean comments on the TikTok because people don't know that I like can't dance at all, please defend me. Please defend me. Okay, let's do it. I'm sweating. Okay, I don't think I've gotten the one yet. I feel like I'm so close, but I'm not there yet. So close. And now I'm sweating. I'm done. The sweat that is happening. Okay, I'm done. Just got a TikTok. I'm done. I'm not fit enough to be a dancer. I quit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. November 15th, shop.laurDIY.com. The white art club line, hoodie, sweatpants, and shorts, and the tie-dye kits will be launching and officially available alongside all of the old inventory that will be on clearance in a sale section. Make sure to go follow Kyle and show him all of the love for putting up with my infuriatingly bad dance moves and just lack of general understanding of how to move my body. I will be practicing, but go follow Kyle and go show him so much love. He deserves it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you on Tuesday for a new episode of the podcast on the Wild Till 9 channel and on the vlog channel. All right, bye guys, I love you.